we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of MAKECATCH 5-in-1 portable tire inflator and car vacuum cordless. Consists of the following features. The ultimate 5-in-1 emergency kit. Why carry multiple tools when one can do it all? MAKECATCH integrates a high-pressure tire inflator, a powerful handheld vacuum, a dust blower, a digital pressure gauge, and an emergency LED light into one sleek, cordless device. It's the perfect space-saving companion for your glove box, trunk, or travel bag, ensuring you're prepared for any roadside situation. Lubricating oil spillage from the inflation port on first use is normal. 150 psi fast inflation and smart auto stop. Featuring 5 preset smart modes: car, motorcycle, bike, ball, and inflatable mattress. This air pump delivers up to 150 psi, 10.35 bar, with precision. The real-time LCD display accurately detects tire pressure, while the auto stop feature ensures the pump shuts off once the target pressure is reached, preventing overinflation and keeping your family safe on the road. Dual power suction and blower function. Engineered with storm suction technology, this vacuum easily tackles crumbs, dust, and stubborn pet hair in your car or home. But it doesn't stop there. Switch to blower mode to blast dust out of keyboards, clear window tracks, or even stoke a campfire during outdoor trips. The included washable HEPA filter ensures long-lasting performance and easy maintenance. Comprehensive accessory set for every need. This all-in-one tool comes with a wide array of attachments: 4 air nozzles, American, French, needle, a long crevice tool for tight gaps, a brush nozzle for upholstery, and a specialized blowing nozzle. Whether it's inflating a road bike tire or deep cleaning car seats, MAKECATCH provides the right accessory for every task. Type-C fast charging and emergency SOS light. Powered by a high-capacity battery with Type-C fast charging, this device is always ready when you need it. The built-in bright LED light features 2 modes: constant illumination for nighttime repairs and SOS flash for emergency signaling. It's an ideal gift for car owners, campers, and tech enthusiasts who value safety and convenience. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.